That's awesome. So this is
Thai dragon. Yeah, very amazing.
so
Try it.
please enjoy this dragon tea. No, it's pretty good. You should try it, and then you can tell us how you feel after drinking it. It's actually quench your thirst, right?